Hello guys, today I want to test this trailer, socket trailer plug with 7 pin to see if my car is okay with the trailer. Put the battery here, we start the car. Okay. All lights, and let's see. So we have lights. The socket is here. Let me clean a little bit. So we have turn signal, fog lights, back fog lights, right signal, fog lights, front, rear lights, apasă frână, and brake. Everything is work. Now I go to off all this. And everything is off, so the socket is work. And this tool is good. Bye.